Let's talk about the sound that the letter Y makes. Do you know what sound the letter Y makes? That's right, it says y, y. So let's go through these pictures and see which ones start with the y, y sound. Here we go. This is a yak. Can you say y, y, yak? Did you say ya? Yes, you did. Good job. So let's draw a line from the Y, from the yak to the Y. And now we'll move on to this object, which is a saw. Say saw. Did you say ya? No, we didn't. So we are not going to draw a line to the Y. Does anyone know what this is? Looks like a big boat, and it's called a yacht. Say yacht. Did you say ya? Yes, you did. Great job. So let's draw a line from the yacht to the Y. Very nice. Next is a yogurt. Yogurt. Did you say ya? You sure did. Great job. Let's draw a line from the yogurt to the Y. Next, that is a dinosaur. Say dinosaur. Did you say ya? Nope, we sure didn't. So let's not draw a line. We'll move on to this. Do you know what this is? That's right, it's a yo-yo. Say yo-yo. Did you say ya? Yes, we did. Let's draw a line from the yo-yo to the letter Y. Next, this is a camper. Say camper. Did you say ya? No, we didn't, so we will not be drawing a line to the Y. Next one, yarn. Did you say ya? Yes, we did. Draw a line to the Y. This is a lunchbox. Say lunchbox. Did you say ya? No, we didn't, so we are not going to draw a line. Last one. What is this? You're right, it's a fan. Say fan. Did you say ya? No, so we won't draw a line from the fan to the Y. Great job today, friends.